ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪುನೀತ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಸರ್ವಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ 108 ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಂದ, ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಂದ. ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಓದಿದ್ರು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು 60 ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರೈಸಸ್? Majorly because students do not do PYQ analysis, they do not identify the patterns, they do not know the short here and there tricks of the prelims. So we are coming up with a particular initiative where I'll be taking a session how to solve prelims. Over the years I have found a particular way how to do the analysis for the prelims paper. Until unless you do the analysis, you cannot improve over the prelims paper. So I found 21 variables with respect to which you can improve on your prelims score. So I'll be taking up that particular course where we first are going to learn about how to solve a prelims paper, followed by how to do analysis, in your CSAT how to do the English comprehension. Just looking at the options, sometimes we have to identify the correct answer. So how do we going to do it? Here and there, short bit of tricks are there. 10 positive tricks are there, 10 negative tricks are there. So what are these tricks? How to come across them? So we'll be coming across all these particular points in the particular strategy, and I'll be giving you in the next 75 days ಯಾವ subject to ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. If at all you're reading polity, there is a way of reading it. If at all you're reading environment, there is a way of reading it. How you are going to read it, that is what we are going to learn in this particular session. So coming up on March 12th, we are doing this 75-day strategy for the prelims. So it's an open session for all of the aspirants, whoever wants help, and especially those people who have given 2 attempts, 3 attempts, still they are struggling with the prelims. So it's an open session for all of them. We welcome you come to our place and actually take the help of this particular experience and as well as the strategy for the prelims. Wishing you to see as soon as possible, and I wish you for the upcoming examinations. Good luck.